launched the show 3 years ago because we realised that there's a lot of manufacturing and engineering that takes place in the North East. The North East is home of modern engineering. It's the birthplace of George Stephenson. It's the home, the first house was powered by electricity. That was all invented in the North East. You've got companies like Hitachi in the North East, Nissan, Siemens. It's a hotbed of engineering and manufacturing. Yet most of the trade shows are centred in the Midlands, and we're asking our engineers to come all the way down to the Midlands to attend a trade show. So we thought 3 years ago, let's bring the trade show to their doorstep.
So MENE is really refreshing because it's much more intimate. So we get about 1,000 visitors to 2,000 visitors and then 100 exhibitors as well. And also only runs for 1 day. So that means that everyone's there with fresh ideas, fresh feet, fresh feelings, and just turn up with a good vibe, really.
Well, I'm from the North East. I'm a Sunderland lad, born and bred, so I love the place. There's lots going on up there. But from a manufacturing point of view, if you do shows outside of the North East, you're probably meeting a lot of the same people if you're down in the Midlands, you're down in the South East. So come and see some different companies while you're up there in the North East. We're friendly, we're happy, we're approachable, we like to have a bit of a laugh. So kind of come and see us for that, for a bit of crack.
So if you want to target a North East engineer, you need to come to the show. You know, there are plenty of engineering events in the Midlands, yet we're the only event in the North East of this type of show. So if you want to target a North East engineer, you should come to Manufacturing and Engineering North East.
MENE is happening on the 26th of November. It's happening in the Vertu Arena in Newcastle upon Tyne, and it's the last engineering and manufacturing show of the year. So mark your calendars, and just before Christmas, get in another one.